Launching a startup is an exciting journey, but it's also filled with challenges, especially when it comes to product development. So, one of the most effective strategies to mitigate risk, save time, and conserve resources is by developing a minimum viable product, which is MVP. An MVP allows you to test your business idea with minimal investment, gather user feedback, and make informed decisions before committing to a full-scale product launch. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to define your startup MVP. Number one, understand the concept of an MVP. An MVP is the most basic version of a product that still delivers value to early users. It includes only the essential features required to solve the core problem your product aims to address. The goal is to launch quickly, gather user feedback, and iterate based on your reward data. Number two is identify your target audience. Now, before defining your MVP, you need to know who your target audience is. Conduct market research to identify your potential customers, their pain points, and how your product can solve their problems. Now, understanding your audience will help you focus on the features that matter most to them. Number three, define the core problem. Clearly articulate the problem your product aims to solve. This will be the foundation of your MVP. Ensure that this problem is significant enough to warrant a solution that your target audience is willing to pay for. Number four, list essential features. Based on your understanding of the core problem and target audience, list the essential features that your MVP must include. These features should directly address the core problem and provide immediate value to users. Avoid the temptation to add non-essential features to this stage. Number five, prioritize features using the MOSCOW method. This MOSCOW method helps prioritize features into 4 categories: must have, should have, could have, and won't have. Now, focus on the must have feature of your MVP. These are the features without which the product cannot function or solve the core problem. Number 6, create user stories. Create stories that are short, simple description of a feature with the perspective of the end user. For example, as a user, I want to be able to sign up with my email so that I can access my account. User stories help you understand the user's need and help each feature and how each feature will be used. Number 7, develop a prototype. Create a low fidelity prototype of your MVP to visualize the user interface and experience. This could be a simple wireframe or mock-up that demonstrates how user will interact with your product. Prototyping helps identify potential issues early and redefine a design before development. Number 8, build the MVP. Now, with a clear understanding of the essential features and user flow, now start building your MVP. Keep the development process lean and focused, ensuring that you only include the must-have features. Use agile technologies to iterate quickly and make adjustment as needed. Number 9, test and gather feedback. Once your MVP is ready, launch it to a selected group of early adopters or beta users. Collect feedback on their experience, focusing on how well the product solves the core problem and any issues they encounter. Now, use this feedback to identify areas for improvement. Number 10 is iterate and improve. Based on the feedback received, Make necessary adjustments and improvements on your MVP. This iterative process allows you to redefine the product, add essential features, and enhance the user experience by continually testing and gathering feedback until your product meets the need of your target audience. Number 11, plan for scaling. Once you have validated your MVP and made necessary improvements, plan for scaling your product. This involves adding additional features, improving infrastructure, and expanding your marketing efforts to reach a broader audience. Now, defining your startup MVP is a crucial step in the product development process. By focusing on the core problem, identifying essential features, iterating based on user feedback, you can save time and money while building a product that meets the need of your target audience. But remember, the goal of an MVP is not to create a perfect product, but to learn and adapt quickly, paving the way for long-term success. Now, if you have any question regarding this topic, comment below. Give this video a thumbs up so it to be pushed out to people looking for content like this. And at the same time, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Peace and bye for now.